The Nike Vomero Plus Doernbecher Freestyle celebrates nature through a design inspired by the calm breath of a deep forest. Created by young nature lover Molly Bell for the Doernbecher Freestyle program, this pair blends earthy storytelling with premium craftsmanship. The upper features woven green textures that mimic mossy bark, while a lenticular swoosh shifts like sunlight filtering through trees, adding depth and movement with every step. Embroidered Oregon camas flowers in vivid purple and yellow highlight Molly's admiration for wildlife, paired with subtle animal patterns on the tongue and forked-hoof graphics on the outsole to honor the deer of the forest. A speckled brown midsole enhances the natural look, as if leaves were pressed into the ground. Inside, a special Molly flower logo blooms on the insole, capturing her worldview. The Nike Vomero Plus Doernbecher is more than a sneaker, it's a tribute to the rhythm, life, and serenity of the outdoors.